Okay, we're working on multiplying these complex numbers. And you can use the FOIL method if you'd like on this one. The FOIL method is just really a distribution method. Okay, so all I'm really going to worry about is making sure that this 1 will be distributed to the 5 and the 3i. The 8i, negative 8i, will be distributed to the 5 and the 3i. And that's really what I'm concerned most about. So I'm going to start doing this now. So I'm going to take my first part. I've got 1 times 5 is going to yield me 5. Okay. My next part, 1 times 3i, is going to yield me a positive 3i. Okay, now I've done with my 1. Now I've got to distribute this negative 8. So negative 8i times 5 is going to give me a negative 40i. And my negative 8 times 3i is going to yield me negative 24i squared. Now this is a key component here because I squared, we've got to know what that means. Okay, so I squared, well, I is the square root of negative 1 times itself, so the square root of negative 1, which will yield us negative 1. So I squared is indeed negative 1. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this, except instead of writing I squared, I'm going to write negative 1 there. Okay. Alright, so we've got 5 plus 3i minus 40i. Notice I didn't change anything there. I'm just wanting to deal with this I squared. Minus 24, and it's 24 times I squared, so 24 times negative 1. Okay, so order of operations tells me I need to do this one because this is multiplication, so I'm going to do that now. 5 plus 3i minus 40i, and then negative 24 times negative 1 would be a positive 24. Okay, now I can go through here and I can look at combining some like terms. Well, I know that my 5 here and my 24 can be combined. My 3i and my negative 40i can be combined. So I want to combine those. So 5 and 24 is going to yield me 29. And then my 3i minus 40i would yield me, minus 37i. And that's my answer on this one. Okay, the big thing is that we have to understand that this I squared here is equivalent to negative 1. Once you do that, then you can combine like terms and simplify it.